Hi all of you. You know the product of two numbers 2 and 3 is 6. That is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. And we can write this product into division. That is 6 by 2 is equal to 3. 6 by 3 is equal to 2. That is, this product can be written in the form of division like this. And root 2 into root 3. What is the value of root 2 into root 3? This is equal to root 6. So we can write it root 6 by root 2 is equal to root 3. And root 6 by root 3 is equal to root 2. This product can be written in division form like this. So, like that, we know root 2 into root 5 is equal to, yes, it is root 10. And root 10 by root 2 is equal to root 5. Root 10 by root 5 is equal to root 2. So here the product can be written in the form of division. So we can generalize this. How we can generalize? Yes, we use variables. That is, if root x into root y is equal to root z, this can be write in division form root z by root x is equal to root y, and root z by root y is equal to root x. So what can we say? For any positive numbers x and y, the product root x into root y equal to root z can be written as the division root z by root x equal to root y, and root z by root y is equal to root x. Now we are going to discuss another property. So you know 6 by 2 is equal to 3 and 6 by 3 is equal to 2. Now I am going to take square root on both sides. That is, square root of 6 by 2 is equal to square root 3. Again here, square root of 6 by 3 is equal to square root of 2. And we have seen earlier that root 6 by root 2 is equal to, yes, root 3, and root 6 by root 3 is equal to root 2. Look at here. Here it is root 3, here it is also root 3. So what can we say? Yes, these two values are equal. That is, we can say root 6 by 2 is equal to root 6 by root 2. So I am going to write here root 6 by 2 is equal to root 6 by root 2. And look here. Here it is root 2, here it is also root 2. So what can we write? Yes, root 6 by 3 is equal to root 6 by root 3. Root of 6 by 3 is equal to root 6 by root 3. This is Suppose one property you have to learn, that is, we can split like this, that is root of 6 by 2 can be write as root 6 by root 2, root of 6 by 3 can be write as root 6 by root 3. Using this property, we can do small problems. We are going to find the value of root 3 by 4. That is square root of 3 by 4. Root 3 by 4. How we can write this? Yes, we can write it root 3 by root 4 using the property that we have learned just before. So, what is root 3? We can write it root 3. What is the value of root 4? Yes, it is 2. So, we can write root 3 by 4 is equal to root 3 by 2. Again, find the value of root 5 by 9. Root 5 by 9. How can we write it? Yes, we can write root 5 by root 9. And this is equal to root 5 by root 9 is 3. So we get root 5 by 9 is equal to root 5 by 3. Now we are going to calculate the value of root of 1 by 2. That is square root 1 by 2. How can we write this? Yes, we can write root 1 by root 2. So what is the value of root 1? It is 1. So this is 1 by root 2. And here this is, we give the approximate value of root 2 here. That is, it is 1 by, here it is 1 by root 2 is 1.414. And you use the calculator and find the value of 1 by 1.414. What is it? Yes, it is 0.707. Now, let's see how can we do this an easier way. Write this 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. That is, multiply 1 by 2 and multiply 2 by 2. That is, we multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. So we get 2 by 4. These two are equal. So we are going to find square root of 1 by 2. That is square root of 1 by 2. This is equal to square root of 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. So I am giving here 2 by 4. And we split. How we split it? Root 2 by root 4. That's equal to root 2 by root 4 is 2. So here this is equal to root 2 by 2. What is root 2? It is 1.414 divided by 2. What is the value? Here that is 0.14 by 2 is 7. Again here it is 0. Again 14 by 2 it is 7. So here we get the value 0.707. Here it is also 0.707. Here we can find this value easily by dividing 1.414 by 2. And here we use calculator to find this value. So which one is easier for you? Yes, this one is easier. How we do it? Here we convert 1 by 2 into 2 by 4 by multiplying the numerator and denominator by 2 and do like this. So here we get the answer by dividing 1.414 by 2, and it is easier than this method. Here you look, here square root 1 by 2 is equal to root 2 by 2. That is, we get square root of 1 by 2 is equal to by 2. You can write square root 1 by 2 is equal to root 1 by root 2. And here you want to get root 2. So here it is root 2. You know root 1 is 1. That is 1 by root 2. Here we multiply the numerator and denominator by root 2. That is root 2 by root 2. And after multiplication, that is 1 into root 2, that is equal to root 2. And root 2 into root 2, that is root 2 square. So what is root 2 square? It is 2. So we get the value root 2 by 2. ഇവിടെ 1 by 2നെ നമ്മൾ 2 by 4ലേക്ക് മാറ്റി അതിനുശേഷം നമ്മൾ വില കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു അല്ലേ. ഇവിടെ ഇതിൽ കുറച്ചുകൂടി ഡയറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് സ്ക്വയർ റൂട്ട് 1 by 2ന്റെ വില റൂട്ട് 2 by 2ലേക്ക് എത്താൻ സാധിക്കും. നോക്കാം എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന്. സ്ക്വയർ റൂട്ട് 1 by 2നെ നമ്മൾ സ്പ്ലിറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് റൂട്ട് 1 by root 2 എന്ന് എഴുതി. ഇപ്പോൾ റൂട്ട് 1ന്റെ വില 1 by root 2. ഇനി ഇവിടെ എത്തുമ്പോൾ 1 by root 2 അടിയിൽ റൂട്ട് 2 ആണ് ഉള്ളത്. അപ്പം എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം? ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിനെയും ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിനെയും റൂട്ട് 2 കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുക. അതായത് റൂട്ട് 2 by root 2. അപ്പം അങ്ങനെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 1 into root 2 root 2 വരും. റൂട്ട് 2 into root 2, അതായത് റൂട്ട് 2ന്റെ സ്ക്വയർ എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ എന്തെന്നെയായിരിക്കും? 2 തന്നെയായിരിക്കും. അപ്പം നമ്മൾ എവിടെ എത്തി? റൂട്ട് 2 by 2 എത്തിക്കഴിഞ്ഞു. അപ്പം ഇവിടെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് 2 കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്ത് ഒന്നുകിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യാം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഡയറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം? അതെ, നമുക്ക് എന്താണോ കിട്ടിയത് അവിടെ വെച്ചു. ഇവിടെ വെച്ച് ലാസ്റ്റ് 1 by root 2 എത്തുമ്പോൾ റൂട്ട് കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്ത് ആൻസറിലേക്ക് എത്താം. This is a homework for you. Compute. First one is square root 1 by 3 and second one square root 4 by 3. Thank you.